just adjusted my quick shifter. Sensitivity still 60. Kill time 70 milliseconds. I do not quick shift first to second. First to second is too rough. It has to go through neutral. Fast. Not like crazy fast, but 600s are good. I'll tell you that. It's fun. Anyone starting off, you know, 600s are good to start off with, I'll tell you that. But if you're very unsure, go for the 300. But if you know you're gonna upgrade, might as well get the 6. Might as well get the 6. Nice and light. Just a couple of things that I would really like to get, you know, just, you know, just to ride more comfortably, because recently I rode out to New Hampshire from, you know, from here, from Western Mass, and it was a very long ride, and I thought I, you know, was able to ride comfortably, but after, I would say, an hour, oof, it got very uncomfortable. It was, mind you, it was a 2.5 hour ride, so I, you know, I should have been, you know, not riding actually, but hey, it was my only ride up there. But I think I, you know, want to get raised clip-ons, and what else? Raised clip-ons. I would be a lot more comfortable on longer rides. Yep. Let me know what you guys did for, you know, comfortability riding a sports bike. I can get by without the rear sets, but for sure raised clip-ons, I want to raise it up about 1.5 inches. So that means I would have to get 2.5 inches of an actual physical raised clip-on, because it's already 1 inch in the bottom when you use a clip-on, when you have clip-ons. So 2.5, that would be the 1.5 extra would be this much off the lowered or raised fork section right here. And yeah, that's how they work, because there's already 1 inch in the bottom from stock. That's the standard size. Maybe my posture is not correct. I don't know. Could be that as well. I feel like my posture is okay. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm too forward and I'm looking up too much. I don't know. But, or maybe I just shouldn't be going on 2.5-hour rides to New Hampshire on a sports bike. Maybe I need a second bike to take longer trips up to New Hampshire, you know? Shift. I could have ended wrong. But yeah, let me know down below, what do you guys think? And let me know what you guys did as well. Or should I just leave it alone? Because honestly, I could just leave it alone as is and not take, you know, crazy long rides. Yeah. Or I can take long rides and just take my breaks, you know. Long rides, more breaks. down below. Let me know what you guys think.